taken on with the new Boilermakers to advance by beating Penn State.
Have a nice day.
Pool updated and swim ready before the big golf tournament. Pedale One Pool and Spa is your one-stop shop for all your hot tub repair and swimming pool maintenance needs. So call us for everything from upgrading your pool.
You don't have a stop sign. How green does it have to be? I don't know.
That's gonna be nice.
Whew. Dude, and he didn't even look up from his steering.
Hey, is he doing this?
I didn't think he was going to stop. You know, you got the yield just like cars. Oh, come on, don't stop. You gotta kill people with that kind of driving.
You'll also get a vacation voucher and maximum tax deduction.
Ornate Samsung cars for kids. AARS cars for kids.
Parking mode off.
because he invited Delta Airlines to move its headquarters to New York from Georgia. State lawmakers elsewhere were looking at this and saying, Delta, come join us. But the issue here is how far you go and how far a company can go.
Cosmetics and pleasure boats. Altogether, says the European Commission, about $3.5 billion worth of U.S. exports. And that's just Europe.
That's why I don't have a bike.
He was one of the 3 county commissioners in '88 that was defeated.
Yeah, do you remember the Augusta drug setup? I don't remember that.
Right into the depot. Oh, roll those cannons, those tiny little cannons onto the battlefield. She said,
American and Australian value, that spirit of enterprise, is what is on. In our region, around the world, combating terrorism, the cooperation in a connected world that we need to have is greater than ever. And that trust between Australia and the United States, between the thousands of brave servicemen and women.
Okay, what are you doing? Yeah, no, that is not a turn lane.
All of that's saved on here.
You're gone.
Hi, Mr. Truckman.
How friendly is these people here? It's something that you guys should be proud of.
Certainly we have a lot of in Wyoming. Our cash crop is we want to be able to continue to export that. So I have concerns about this. I focus on American workers, businesses, commerce.
There, reportedly by Kim Jong-un, that there would be a freeze in the missile launches, the nuclear testing. I think just an invitation to President Trump wouldn't have been enough. It looks like we should get something more, and that's what we could be getting.
Yes, guess what's the difference between Xbox and PC?
Hackers.
Yes. Have you ever won a match on PC?
I've only played 4 matches. Got in the top 10. I was gonna win.
She served her 1 term.
in New York with us tonight with the story. Hey, Ed.
Good to see you, Martha. The problem for Adam Schiff tonight is not what Republicans are saying. It's that his own predictions about the 10-page memo, in his own words, are now being turned against him. When Republican Devin Nunes released his memo on February 2nd, it was Schiff who complained that blocking the Democrats
there was a crackdown on that, saying, all right, well, Delta, you do that, we're going to take away a big tax incentive that you have for doing business.
Parking mode off.
This is how you find ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. People from businesses of all sizes trust ZipRecruiter for their hiring needs. They're so confident ZipRecruiter will get you good results. They'll let you try free.
Well, now that's scary.
100% that your current main source of income will someday no longer exist. 439 of 1955's original Fortune 500 are no longer around, yet their industries and even their product lines still thrive. What happened to these companies? Simple. They didn't believe that 100% of main sources of income failed. They never added a second revenue model. For years, my friends at Income Store have helped both households and businesses build second, third, and even fourth revenue streams.
Toyota has a bungee cord holding up his muffler. Oh boy.
And everything we know about this plan, sit down while the Trump administration...
Yes, mouth-watering, macrobiotic.
It introduced ingredients like miso and tofu and wheat gluten to kids in the middle of the country who had never seen, Japanese American food.
And we arrive at today.
The health food of today feels very bright and vegetable forward and much more flavorful than what we were cooking back then.
All right, we're going to have more right after this. Thank you, Will.
Sirius XM Rush 93 is your radio home for pro wrestling.